ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. The poem is ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞನ ವಚನಗಳು. So before starting with the poem, I request you all to take out your textbook, pencil, eraser, sit in a quiet place, vary your phone. We'll start with the poem, ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞನ ವಚನಗಳು. So if you have already gone through the last year textbooks and all, we already have a vachana. So what is vachana? Vachana is basically, these are the kind of a poetic structure which is used as a social reforming things. For example, to spread the education, to spread the good behavior, to spread the awareness about child marriages, to spread the awareness about the religious thoughts, to spread the awareness about the teacher, the student, relationship with the father, family, mother, all these things, basically social reforming things. So these are the things are called a vachanagalu. So basically vachana we are the thing which talk about how the good behavior should be. Okay, so here the vachana is written by Sarvagna. The poet, its name is Sarvagna. Okay, so his vachana, the vachana of Sarvagna is usually called as a Tripadigalu. So what is Tripadi? 3 andre Sri. 3 is a number 3. Padi is a salu, the lines. So if you observe here, all the stanzas has 3 lines. So only this is called as a Tripadi. Clear? So it's basically, we can also call Sarvagnana Tripadi. So what is that thing the Sarvagna is teaching us here? So we'll see. So Sarvagna is teaching Guru Hiriyarannu Gauravisabeku. You need to respect. Gaurava is a respect. Whom should we respect? We need to respect the teacher and the elders always. So that is the one thing that he is teaching in his Tripadi. And he is telling, ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ಭಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಇರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. We need to have that devotion and dedication on the teachers and the elder. ಯಾಕೆ, why you need to have ಅಂದರೆ, because Guru is the one, teacher is the one who teaches us many things. So without teacher, our life is zero. So either one or the other way, we have a teacher in every step of our life. First, it can be mother, father, your grandfather, grandmother, your sister, brother, your friends, any teacher. It can be your school teacher, tuition teacher, guitar teacher, sports teacher, whoever it is. Children, teacher is like they are the guide, they are the path, they are the one who show us the path, the right path. So always respect your teacher. Do not mock at your teacher, do not tease your teacher. Even we have come all the way from here. So respect your teacher, have that love, affection, be humble, show that gratitude, show that respect to your teachers. So teacher are the one who take us from the darkness to the light, because they are the one who give the knowledge to us. Next ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕು. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಮದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಮಾರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞನ ವಚನ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಯಮ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹರ ತನ್ನೊಳಿರ್ದು ಗುರು ತೋರದೇ ತಿಳಿಯುವುದೇ. ಹರ ತನ್ನೊಳಿರ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ we have a devotion in ourselves, we have a God in ourselves, but still we need the Guru to show us the path, to show us what is God, why we need to worship the God, what is the use of that. So all these things are told to us by the teacher. So children, basically Tripadi, this one, it can be a very detailed description, very detailed summary it can go. But I'm telling you a very basic detail, very basic explanation I will be giving you in this one. So I'm not going into the depth and detailing of each and every line. It can be told in n number of ways, but I'm telling in a different way. So remember, if your teacher is telling in any other different way in your school, so please do not think that is wrong, or do not think that I am giving you the less information, or your teacher is giving the more information, or your teacher is giving the less information and I am giving the more information. It's not like that. The way of explanation is completely different and differs from teacher to teacher. Comfortable? Yes, we'll go with the poem. ಹಾರ ತನ್ನೋಡು ಹಿಡಿದು ಗುರು ತೋರದೆ ತಿಳಿಯುವುದೇ. ಸೊ ವಿದೌಟ್ ದ ಗುರು ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗಾಡ್, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗಾಡ್. ಮರದೊಳಗೆ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಇರುತ್ತಿರ್ದು ತನ್ನ ತಾನರಿಯಬೇಕೆಂದ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. ಸೊ ಟು ನೋ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆಮ್ ಐ and what is the strength I have. So we need the help of a teacher. So we need that fire. That fire is given to us from the teacher. So teacher are most respectful and we need to respect the teacher for this quality. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ this first 3 lines. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 lines ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಆದವರು ಬಂದುಂಡು ಹೋಗುವರು. ಸೊ ದ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್, ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್. ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ whoever come to our home, they'll come, they'll have food, they'll be happy for some time and they'll leave. They'll just go away. I'm really sorry for the dog barking or voice, children. ಬಂಧನವ ಕಳೆಯ ಅರಿಯರು. ಸೊ ಬಂಧನವ, ದ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಬಂಧನ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಗ್ನೋರೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಗ್ನೋರೆನ್ಸ್. ಬಂಧನ ಕಳೆಯಲು ಅರಿಯರು, ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ಕಳೆಯಲರಿಯರು. ಸೊ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಗ್ನೋರೆನ್ಸ್. ಗುರುವಿಂದ ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಉಂಟೆ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್, ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅ ಟೀಚರ್? No. So teacher are the one who serve every purpose. Teacher are my mother, teacher is my father, teacher is my guest, teacher is my everything. So there is no one above the teacher. So that is what the second stanza. We'll go with the next one. ಗುರುವಿಂದ ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಗುರುವಿಂದ ದೈವಗಳು ಗುರುವಿಂದಲಿಹುದು ಪುಣ್ಯವದು ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಗುರುವಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ the Sarvagna is saying, so everything is Guru. Guru is a Devru, Guru is a mother, Guru is a father, Guru is a guest, Guru is a bandhu. So Guru is a punya. So he is the one who bring a luck to us. He is the one who tell everything in this jaga. Jaga andre in the world, jagakella. So for the everyone in the world, Guruvininda mukti. He is the one who teaches the path of the light. Andre he gives a knowledge to us. So that is the value of a guru. So we need to respect the guru. We'll go with the last one. ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಶಿರಬಾಗಿ ಎರಗಿದರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗುರು, ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ, ಫಾರ್ ದ ಎಲ್ಡರ್, ಶಿರಬಾಗಿ ಎರಗಿದರೆ. ವೆನ್ ಯು salute them, okay, manasara, with wholeheartedly, when you worship your teacher, when you worship the elder. ನರಸುರರು, ನರ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾನವ, ದ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್. ಸುರ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಗಾಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನರಸುರರು ಬಂದು ಸಿರಿ ಸುರಿದು. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ವೆಲ್ತ್. ಕೈಲಾಸ ಕರತಲಾಮಲಕ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. ಕೈಲಾಸ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಹೆವೆನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕರತಲಾಮಲಕ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರತಲಾಮಲಕ? ಕರ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಮ್, ದ ಕೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮಲಕ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮಲ. ಆಮಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಮ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್? ದ ಗೂಸ್ಬೆರಿ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅ ಗೂಸ್ಬೆರಿ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್, it shows it, you can see very clearly. So that is how the life will become very clear when you start showing a good respect for your teacher and show gratitude, because it gives you a knowledge. So when you know how to be humble, how to treat the elder, how to treat the people with humanely, then it is the most important, children. So that is the thing that Sarvagna want to preach here, that show respect to your teacher, be very humble and show that gratitude, have that gratitude always towards your teacher ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞನ ವಚನಗಳು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವ್ರ ರೈಟ್ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಟು yashasvikannadavani@gmail.com. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ children, you all know that I won't be doing the question answers and the exercise part. Please do the exercise part and question answers on your own. ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ 7th standard Tiri Kannada, please check the playlist. There are many lessons which is already done, and there are few which is all remaining also, which will be done very soon. And thank you so much for following. ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, I'll meet you all very soon. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. From Yashasvi Kannadavani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.